Hi everyone, just a short video to explain why I am happy to be leaving Vietnam in less than 2 days and heading to Europe. I am just stressed out in Vietnam. The traffic is crazy. It's just too dangerous for me to walk almost anywhere. Plus the constant onslaught of honking. I've never seen anything like it. I thought at one point it should be a Saturday Night Live skit, but people would think that they were exaggerating. And it's worse than my video shows. It's just constant. It's stressful. It's just stressing me out. It's the only light I've seen. I'm walking from one side of Da Nang to the other to go to a museum. The river is up here. So this is a major intersection here. Okay, warning. The nice green walk sign. I'm a pretty fast walker, and I trucked right on across this intersection, and when it turned from green to red, it wasn't a warning that I had so many seconds. The light turned, and all the motorcycles and cars started driving at me. No warning at all.